Most people are using AI in the weakest possible way. They open ChatGPT, ask a few questions, maybe generate some content, maybe summarize something, and then they stop. And don't get me wrong, that is useful, but that is not where the real power of AI is. The real power begins when AI becomes part of a business system. A system that can capture information, understand it, take action, follow up, organize data, support customers, and help your business operate better. So in this video, I want to show you a simple but powerful shift. Start building AI business systems. And if you understand this early, it can change the way you work, the way you run a business, and even the kind of opportunity you can create in the future. Everyone's talking about AI. New tools are launching every week, whether it is ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, automation tools. The list keeps growing. But here's the problem. Most people are jumping from one tool to another without connecting AI to a real business outcome. They try one tool today, another tool tomorrow, watch a few tutorials, save a few prompts, and still their daily work remain almost the same. They're still manually replying to customers, still manually following up with the leads, still copying data from one place to another, still forgetting tasks, still updating spreadsheets, still sending the same messages again and again. So the question is not which AI tool should I use. The better question is which part of my business or work should become smarter, faster, or more automatic because of AI. And that is the shift. That is the core. Because using an AI tool once is helpful, but building an AI powered system can create repeated value. An AI tool helps you complete tasks while an AI system help your business operate better. There is a big difference. A tool is something you use manually. You open it, you give input, you get output, then you decide what to do next. But a system connects multiple steps together. A system can receive information, process it, make a decision, trigger an action, and create a business result. For example, ChatGPT alone can help you write a reply, but an AI business system can automatically receive a customer inquiry, understand what the customer wants, draft the right response, save the lead in a spreadsheet or CRM, notify your team, and schedule a follow up. That is completely different level of value. One is a tool, the other is a workflow. One gives you an answer, the other improves how your business runs. Let's make this practical. Imagine a small business gets lead from a website form or WhatsApp or maybe from Instagram DM or Google form. Normally, this is what happens. Someone has to check the message. Then they have to understand what the customer wants and they have to reply. Then maybe they update a sheet. Maybe they could set a reminder also. Then maybe they follow up after 1 or 2 days. And in real life, many leads are lost here, not because the business is bad, but because the process is manual. Maybe the reply is late, maybe the follow up is forgotten, maybe the lead is never added to the CRM, maybe the team does not know who should handle it. Now imagine the same process with an AI system. A customer fills a form, the system captures the lead, AI reads the message and identifies the type of inquiry. The lead is automatically added to a Google Sheet or CRM. A personalized reply is also drafted or sent. The business owner gets a notification. A follow up reminder is created. If a lead is high priority, it can be marked separately. Now, you are not just using AI for the fun, you're using AI to improve its speed, consistency, and customer response. And that is where AI becomes useful for business. You could be thinking why this matters now. But this matters because business is becoming faster. Customers expect quick replies. Teams are expected to do more with fewer resources. Creators, consultants, small businesses, agencies, and professionals are all dealing with repetitive work. And AI is not only about saving 10 minutes here and there. The bigger opportunity is this. Can you build systems that reduce repeated manual work? Can you build systems that respond faster than a human team can? Can you build systems that help a small business look more professional? Can you build systems that allow one person or a small team to operate like a much larger team? That is why AI automation matters. And that is why I believe the future belongs not only to people who know how to use AI tools, but to those who know how to design AI powered systems. On this channel, this is the way we are going to think about AI. Not as random tools, not as hype, not as magic, but as practical business systems. The basic framework is simple. Let me break that down. First, we start with a real business problem. For example, leads are not followed up properly. Customer questions are repeated again and again. Reports take too much time. Content distribution is manual. Data is scattered across different tools. Then we look at the tools like WhatsApp, Gmail, Google Sheet, Forms, Calendar, CRM, Notion, Airtable, website forms, automation tools. Then we add AI and automation. Maybe an AI agent classify the message. Maybe an automation sends a reply. Maybe a workflow updates the CRM. Maybe AI summarizes customer conversation. Maybe a system creates a follow-up task. Then we look at the business result. Did it save time? Did it reduce missed leads? Did it improve customer experience? Did it help the team work faster? And finally, we look at the future opportunity as well. Could this become a template? Could this become a service? Could this become a consulting offer? Could this become a course model? Could this become a digital product? And if you see, that is a bigger game. So, if you are a business owner, creator, consultant, freelancer, professional, or someone who wants to prepare for the future of work, this channel is for you. We will cover practical topics like how to use AI automation in everyday business workflow, how to build lead capture and follow up systems, how AI agents can work like digital employees for sales support, research, and operations, how to use tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, WhatsApp, CRMs, and other automation platforms with AI, how new AI tools can be applied to real businesses use case, how future technologies will change work, business, career, and entrepreneurship, and also how you can learn, build, and eventually deliver AI automation systems as a skill, service, or business. The goal is simple: to help you build future ready business systems with AI, not just understand AI, not just watch tool reviews, but actually see how AI can be used in real workflows. Now, if you're thinking this sounds complicated, don't worry. You do not need to start with a complex AI agent or a huge automation. In fact, you should not. Your first AI system can be very simple. Start with one repeated task. It could be one message, one form, one spreadsheet, one follow up, or one customer questions, can be one small workflow. Because the goal is not to automate everything on day one. The goal is to identify one place where AI can save time, reduce manual work, or improve response. That is how you should start. Small workflow first, then improve it, then connect more steps, then build a better system. Before watching another AI tool video, write down one repetitive task in your business, job, or daily work. Ask yourself, such as what do I do again and again? Where do I copy and paste information? Where do customers ask the same question? Where do leads get delayed? Where do I forget follow ups? Where does information move from one tool to another manually? And that repeated task could be your first AI automation opportunity. And once you start looking at work this way, you'll begin to see opportunities everywhere. Because AI is not just about generating content, AI is about improving workflows. To help you with this, I have created a free AI automation opportunity finder checklist. You can use it to identify which task in your business or work are good candidate for AI automation. It will help you think through what tasks are repetitive, what tasks consume time, what tasks involve customer response, what tasks involve data movement, and what tasks can become your first AI powered workflow. You can download it from the link in the description. Use it before you build anything because the best automation does not start with a tool. It starts with choosing the right problem. The real opportunity is not just using AI tools. The real opportunity is building AI powered system around real business problems. AI tools can help you complete tasks, but AI systems can help your business operate better. And that is what we are going to explore on this channel. If you want to learn how to build future ready business systems with AI using everyday tools, automation, agents, and emerging technologies, in the next videos, we will start looking at real examples of these systems, beginning with how an AI lead follow up system can work for small businesses. I'll see you in the next video.